Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a video playing in your head? A scene, a story, a moment. But the second you try to make it with AI, you're stuck juggling five different tools just to get 20 seconds of footage. Today I want to show you something that fixes that. It's called Flova AI, and its own tagline says it best. It's your personal AI video agent partner. Now here's the important word agent. Most AI video tools are just generators. You type a prompt, you cross your fingers, you get a clip. Flova is different. You talk to it like you're directing a team. You describe what you want in plain language, and Flova plans it, storyboards it, generates the shots, adds the music, and assembles the final edit, using top models like Seedance and Kling behind the scenes, so you never have to switch tools. By the end of this video, you'll understand what makes Flova special, and you'll watch me build a real clip live, including an anime scene where I let Flova's skills do the heavy lifting. Let's jump in. Before we make anything, let me quickly show you the three things that genuinely set Flova apart. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. 1. It's an agent, not just a generator. Think of Flova as having two hands working at once. On the right is the agent chat. This is where you give instructions in everyday language. Make me a 20-second anime clip. Change the mood. Redo shot 3. On the left is your workspace, the storyboard, your media, the timeline, where you can tweak things by hand. And the magic is, both work at the same time. Flova can be generating your next shot while you're adjusting an earlier one. Nothing waits. 2. Agentic monitoring. You can watch it think. This is my favorite part. When Flova is working, it doesn't hide inside a black box. You can literally see every step it's taking, analyzing your reference, building the storyboard, generating the key characters, then the shots, then the final edit. It's like watching a director's checklist tick along in real time. And if it's going the wrong way, you can stop it, add a note, and let it continue. Or jump back to an earlier version and try a different direction. You're always in control. 3. Skills. Teach it your style once, reuse it forever. This is the feature that changes everything, and we are going to demo it in a minute. A skill is a reusable workflow you give the agent. You basically teach Flova your taste, your rules, your way of making a certain kind of video once, and from then on, it follows that same standard every single time. No re-explaining. And you don't even have to build one yourself. Flova has a skill community where you can browse ready-made skills, like a cinematic short film skill or an anime skill, and add them to your own toolkit with one click. Add to that a library of styles and themes, anime, cinematic, commercial, fashion, and you've got a tool that adapts to you instead of the other way around. Okay, enough talk. Let's make something. For our first demo, I want to make a short, punchy anime action scene. A team of young ninja heroes planning their attack on an enemy base. And here's the key. I'm going to let Flova's anime skill handle the style, so I don't have to describe every little detail myself. First, I'll load an anime skill from my toolkit. This tells the agent how anime should look and feel. The pacing, the short rhythm, the cel-shaded style before I even write my prompt. Now here's my prompt. 20-second anime clip, shonen action style. A team of 5 young ninja warriors huddle around a glowing tactical map in a dim forest camp at night, planning their attack on a distant enemy fortress. Dynamic close-ups on determined faces, one leader pointing at the map, quick cuts building tension, dramatic orchestral music. 16 to 9. Vibrant cel-shaded animation. First show me your plan before generating. Notice I ended with first show me my plan. That's the smart way to work with an agent. I'm telling it to think before it spends any credits. And look at this. It's laid out the whole scene. The campfire lighting, the huddle of characters, the leader pointing, the quick tension cuts. But here's the part I want you to catch. I never told it to pace the scene like an action anime. The anime skill did that automatically. That rhythm and style is baked right into it. That's the power of skills. If I make 10 more anime clips, everyone follows the same look without me repeating myself. Now watch the left side. It's generating the characters first, then the shots using Seedance. And they're appearing here as they finish. There's our scene. Pretty solid. But say I want the leader's close up to hit harder. Instead of starting over, I just refine. Great start. Make the leader's close up more dramatic with sharper lighting and keep everything else exactly the same. That phrase, keep everything else the same, tells Flova to change only that one shot, not the whole clip. Same scene, one better moment. That's refining, not regenerating. So let's quickly recap why Flova stands out. It's an agent you direct in plain language, not just a generator. You get agentic monitoring, so you can watch every step and stay in control. Skills let you teach it your style once and reuse it forever, or grab one from the community. It runs multiple top models like Seedance and Kling in one place. And it lets you refine any part of a video without starting over. Simple idea, powerful result. You direct, Flova produces. Here's the honest takeaway. For years, making a good AI video meant being half editor, half tech wizard, stitching tools together and hoping it worked. Flova flips that. You just describe your vision, like you're talking to a creative partner who actually gets it, and it handles the rest. Whether you're a total beginner making your first clip or a creator who wants a repeatable style across every video, this is genuinely worth trying. And the best part? Flova gives new users free credits, so you can build your first scene without spending a thing. If this was helpful, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll drop the Flova link plus every prompt I used right in the description so you can follow along step by step. So tell me in the comments, what's the first video you'd make with an AI agent? An anime fight? A travel story? Something for your brand? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.